Hey lovies, welcome back to another recipe. Hope you're all doing great. So guys, on today's recipe I'm going to be sharing this local palm oil stew aka atadide with you guys. If you're interested, stay tuned as we go through the list of ingredients and process of making this delicacy. So guys, for making our sauce, we're going to be needing the long sweet chili peppers, which I have some very ripe one here. The riper the peppers, the better for your atadide stew. So I have some onion, I have 2 black onion and 1 white onion. I have some garlic, ginger and scotch bonnet pepper. So right here is the palm oil, which is the star key of this recipe. And right here I have my already dried like kind of tartar shell. I already soaked it all through the night with hot water. And I have some locust beans and seasoned cube. So these are the beef I'm going to be using. I have some cow leg, some beef, shaki. I have some bonga fish and some smoked catfish, which I did smoke myself. I have the recipe in case you're interested. I'm going to be putting the link on the description box. And some boiled eggs. Yeah, you need some boiled eggs to rock your atadide. So I'll start by seasoning my assorted meat, which I just went ahead and roughly blend some garlic, ginger, scotch bonnet peppers and onion. So I'm going to use that and other seasoning to just marinate the beef, which I added some dried thyme, seasoned cubes, curry powder, and I'll go ahead and stir this together without adding any water. So I also went ahead and add salt. Yes, you need salt for your meat. So I'll cover this without adding any water, leave it on a medium heat so it will steam up and the assorted meat will just absorb all those nice flavors, peppers and all the stuff we use in marinating our meat. I tell you guys, try to steam your meat without adding any water at the beginning. You are going to enjoy and love how your food will come out. So at this moment I'll go ahead and add just half a cup of water and cover it up. Allow it to cook until the meat is soft and tender, depends on how you like it. So right now I'll go ahead and start washing my peppers. I went ahead and take all the seeds from my long sweet chili peppers. I'll add enough water and wash it thoroughly. So right here are my peppers. I'm just going to roughly blend it, but if you like you can blend this into a smooth paste. But for me, I love my no tomato sauce to be roughly blend. Like I just want to feel that texture while I'm eating it. So at this point the assorted meat is ready. I'm just going to get it off the fire. So for this recipe I'm going to be air frying my assorted meat except from the shaki. So I'm going to be air frying everything. If you like, you can put it in your oven or you can fry it with your palm oil, or you can just like cook it with the sauce without frying or doing anything to it. So I'm just going to air fry it and we start making our delicacy. So guys, right now my pot is on the fire. I'm going to put in my palm oil. Yeah, I'm going to be needing enough palm oil for this recipe. I'll cover it up and set the fire on a medium heat, and I'm going to be bleaching this oil. So I'll allow the oil to bleach, of which I didn't bleach it up to the last point because at this moment my fire alarm is almost going on and I'm not ready for my fire alarm to go on with my little baby crying and other stuff. So I just have to switch off my oil at this point. And at this moment I'll say my oil is almost like bleached. I'm okay with it. So I'll add in my onion and I'm just going to be cooking the onion for just 2 minutes just to make it like soften up and dry a little bit. I'll go ahead and add in the locust beans and I'll stir this and start adding my roughly blended peppers. So So guys, at this point my fire is on the highest heat. Like I always say, to cook your sweet chili peppers you need a high heat fire, so it will start bringing up water and like getting kind of more smooth. So my fire is on the highest heat, so the pepper will cook quickly and drain off all the waters from the pepper. As you can see, as you can notice, I didn't strain off the water from these peppers, so that's why I'm using the highest heat of my fire. So at this point I went ahead to add in the boiled egg and the bonga fish, so the egg will absorb the peppers and also the bonga fish will cook. As we know, bonga fish is kind of like strong, so I need it to cook to soften up. If you like, you can soak it with hot water so it will soften up, but I prefer to just like put it at the beginning so it will start cooking. So guys, this is like 15 minutes of cooking my peppers, and at this moment I'll just go ahead and add in my air fried assorted meat so it will start cooking with the sauce and also absorb the taste of the sauce. Yeah, and at this point I went ahead and add my smoked catfish. As I said earlier, I have the recipe on my channel, and I'm just adding my beef stock into the sauce just a little bit, so the stock will give this sauce that nice flavor from the assorted meat. So I'm not going to be discarding it, I just need a little bit of it. So guys, I will stir this up together. I like to cook on a low medium heat for about 20 to 30 minutes so all the egg will absorb the sauce, the meat and all those stuff, guys. And I tell you, this Atadidi sauce was a hit, guys. It was a big hit. So I went ahead and add a little bit of more salt and mango cube just to like give it more taste. So at this point I'm going to be adding my crushed chili peppers. This is optional, but I tell you, you're going to love it when you add your crushed pepper. It's just going to give you that local, like seeing the crushed peppers in your sauce. I tell you, you're going to love this. Thank you very much for watching, guys. If it's your first time here, you're welcome to Lydia Isaac TV. My name is Lydia, and I hope you do find this recipe helpful. If you do, please do go ahead and give this video a big like. Subscribe to my channel if you've not done so. Click on that notification bell so you'll never miss any delicacy from this channel, and also follow my Facebook page at Lydia Isaac Recipes. I'm going to be putting the link on my description box and pinning it on the comment section. Thank you very much, guys. Till I see you on my next recipe. Do have a lovely day. Do have a beautiful day. Bye bye.